Hey friend, it's Simply T again. Have you been wanting to try the viral DIY lash trend? Well, me too. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down bottom and keep watching to see how I got this look with lash clusters for the first time. I purchased this AMZGirl 320 piece DIY lash kit from Amazon for about $14, and it came with a decurl style and a decurl combo style. It also comes with the lash bond, the lash seal, the lash remover, and of course the lash tweezers or the applicator. Now I'm not gonna lie, but as much as I love getting my lashes done and trying different lashes, I've always been a little nervous about trying to do them on myself. So to make sure I kept the mess to a minimum and I kept both of my eyes after this process, I'm going to follow all of the instructions on the back of the box. I started by brushing a thin layer of the lash bond underneath my natural lash and letting it sit for about 15 to 30 seconds. And then I applied each lash cluster, one piece at a time, underneath my natural lash. Once I was satisfied with the placement of all my clusters, I made sure to press them in with the applicator. Once I was done with that and I was satisfied with the placement of the clusters, I took the other side of the lace bond and I just lightly dabbed it and brushed through it with the lash seal, just to seal everything in. It held pretty well, but one thing I will definitely do differently for my next cluster install is not brush through it with the lash seal. I'm just going to keep it at the bottom, only because it kind of made it a lot more spikier than I wanted it, as opposed to kind of leaving it loose and wispy. But one thing I love about it is that there was no irritation. There was no burning either. And that was another thing that I was kind of anticipating with this install. I will say though, by the time I got to the second eye, I was a whole lot more confident and comfortable with what I was doing. I had figured out the lash map that I wanted with all the different lengths and sizes. And I had stopped poking myself in the eye as much. And it was a lot more comfortable. Once I was done, I just brushed through my lash set with a spoolie just to kind of separate them and just to kind of set them the way I wanted to. And I'm not gonna lie, for my first time, I was pretty impressed. I was waiting for a kind of slight burning or tingling sensation or, irritation, and I just did not get that. So I do have to say, I'm definitely happy with the results of my lashes, and I'm happy that I chose this product or this brand to use for my first time doing the DIY lash clusters. If you want a link to where I purchased this particular kit from or my lash mat, be sure to check in the description box of this video. And let me know what you think in the comment section. If you do DIY lashes already and you have a lash map you think I should try out, cat eye, doll eye, wispy, whatever you have, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. As always, thank you for clicking play. I am so happy that I get to share some of my experiences on here with you guys, and you get to watch it with me as I figure things out along the way. Of course, if you want to keep seeing more wig installs, more tutorials, and first time tries, and of course, food recipes, you know exactly what to do. Subscribe so we can keep trying this together. I'll see you same place next time. Peace out, y'all.